Hey guys, happy Thursday. So I'm about to make a smoothie. It's afternoon and I have to get my beet juice in and my pomegranate juice. And as you guys know from today's vlog or yesterday, that I made a smoothie to make the beets more palatable because they taste like, and I hate to say this, they taste like vegetables. I mean, because I'm not anti-vegetable, but they taste like a savory vegetable that you're drinking, and that's just weird. I'd rather bite my vegetables, not a beet. But so this is the kind of blender that I'm using. I cleaned this morning, so that's why it's got a little fog on it. It's the Vitamix. I can't remember the number, but I have linked it on my LTK just in case you want to take a look at it. It's so powerful. When I first used this, I thought that it wasn't that powerful, but I needed to turn up the knob, the speed of the blade, and it smoothed out my smoothie so perfectly. So I'm using this, and then I do this time have a half a banana. I made an order to Sprouts last night, so I already cut this. Well, just now, not last night. It's weird. I'll freeze the other half for tomorrow, and then I'll go get some more if I like this. I wanted to get one just in case I don't like it. And then I am using these strawberries that I got from Publix. It's a huge bag. Don't know what I was thinking. I think that's all they had. and then I got these mangoes from Publix. They're frozen. Using frozen fruit is just better because you don't have to use ice. And no, I don't tear all the way off for some reason. I don't know why I do that. And then I got these blueberries from Whole Foods. So you can use any blueberries. I do have blueberries, strawberries, and pineapple chunks on my LTK, but they're all linked to Publix and Instacart. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. These are our knives, y'all. I love our knife set. They're by Cuisinart. I got these a while ago, and they are super sharp. So this is the pomegranate juice that we use. It's by Pom. I forgot to show you guys this one. And then this is our beet juice that we use, and it is by Lakewood. Y'all, this stains so easily. So I think they sometimes use this as a natural dye for clothes and stuff like that, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so these are our juices, and now I'm about to show you guys me making it. Okay guys, so I finished making my smoothie, and the added banana is actually really good. It could stand to be a little bit more ripe. This is actually the way that I had the banana. That is the last bit of ripeness that I'll actually eat a banana. I don't like overly ripe bananas. I like them to kind of taste a little tart, where they kind of, it smelled so good. I was almost tempted to eat one because it smelled so good, but I froze the other half so that I can have it in my smoothie tomorrow. And but yeah, it definitely added a lot more volume. Obviously it's gonna add more volume because it's an added something, but more than what I anticipated it doing. So yeah, I just put it in this little thermos or one of these, it's like the insulated things that keeps everything cool or hot, just because it's cute. But so it's good. As good as it's gonna be. It's all smooth. So, and it still tastes a little earthy, and I think it's because of the beets. But yeah, Keandra said that this beet juice is a little bit different tasting. She said it's actually worse than the first one that we had. But this one that we have is, I think our mom said like something about more organic or something like that, which is better. So, but yeah, so this is my smoothie. I put a little pink straw in there because it's like a little, you know, that color family. But yeah, all in all, it's not that bad. It's not, I mean, it's healthy. So, you know, we're just getting in our new things. So yeah, but we have to go run an errand. And so I'm gonna get dressed for that. I'm gonna finish this, get dressed for that, and we're gonna go.
Y'all, so it is late. We're about to head out, run a couple of errands, but this is what I am wearing today. It's the Jasmine Sandbach and Marigold. It's one of my favorite Jo Malone fragrances. It's the Cologne Intense, so of course, like, it is more pronounced, and I really love it. Of course, I get compliments on this all the time, and y'all ignore my nails because yes, they ate. But mind y'all business, okay? Because I'm getting my nails done soon. All right. But yeah, so this is one of my favorites. I get compliments on it all the time. And I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing today. It is in my LTK. And y'all can go and find it there.
Keandra and I were out running errands. We got out a little late today. So we're going to go run our little errand. And then we'll likely walk around if we still have a little bit of time. But we may not, I don't know, it's like about 6 or 7, I think it might be about 7, but so we have a little bit of time to walk around. But I tried the, what is it called, the Exaggerationist, I think is what it's called, that L'Oreal mascara, and I really like that one. I was like, ooh, I really like this one. It does make your lashes long. You can't really see because of the shading of my glasses, but I'll wear it again this weekend. I'll still put something over it because I like a little bit more fullness, but I love the wand. It catches all of my lashes beautifully. I just love it. It is a great everyday mascara, and it's a great mascara to layer with. So I'm excited about this one. I'll probably be getting this one again. I thought I was going to get the other one, but I like the brush on this one a lot better. So I'll likely get this one. So Keandra and I just got back from running our errands, well, not too long ago, and I wanted to show you guys really quickly while I do my skincare, or not show you guys, but share with you guys about the Universal Standard Fit Liberty sale that's going on. It's 40% off. So that is really good. It's high quality stuff. You guys know I love Universal Standard. It's great for workwear and just regular active stuff. Active jeans, they have all kinds of stuff. And so I'm using the Avene to dampen my face. And so they have a sale that's going on right now, and it's to the 20th. So it's today through the 20th. And you'll get all kinds of like up to 400 plus pieces, I believe, and they go up to a 40. And all of the pieces, like a lot of their stuff runs kind of large. So if you are in between sizes, they do recommend that you size down. I noticed that I had to size down on a couple of their pieces. All the things that I have from them, the stuff that I bought and the stuff that they gifted, I really love. So if you are in the market for new workwear or just active wear, leisure wear, stuff like that, this is the place to go. They have cute button downs, they have cute dresses. Their palazzo pants are amazing. Keandra and I really love them. Keandra said they're her favorite pants they have, or that she has. So I recommend that you go ahead and get your pieces, because the Fit Liberty, the cool thing about that collection is that if you gain weight, lose weight, whatever, get pregnant, something like that, within a year, you can return the items and get a new one. So you can swap it out for free. So I really like that. It's the Fit Liberty collection. I'm gonna leave my code so that you can get 10% off if you've never shopped with them before. And also, of course, I'll leave the links to the stuff that I have and to their website and stuff like that down in the description. So that's all that we have for you guys today. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and share this video with anyone that you love. And don't forget to shop our LTKs. Download LTK and shop our LTKs. If you don't find something in the description, it's likely on our LTK if there's a link for it. Oh, and most importantly, don't forget to shop Jolie Noire, joliexnoire.com, and follow us over on Instagram, JolieXNoire Apparel. And then Keandra and I, Keandra Lockett, Key Selects Life. Bye, guys.